Hey guys, what's up? This is your girl Kundai Karen Mangena, and I'm back again with another video. So today I'm going to be showing you guys how to make this lovely ponytail which I made out of braids, and the braids I used were darling braids and they only cost me about 50 cents. And yeah, so basically that was it. So don't forget to like, subscribe and share. Also leave a comment down below if you enjoyed this video. So to start, I'm going to start by wrapping my thread, my wool right down to the chair, and that's the whole process. So firstly, I wrapped it 3 times just to get that whole perfect fitting, right? And to make sure that it's just very strong. You can make it 2 times, you can make it 3 times, or up to you. But I preferred wrapping it around 3 times just to make it strong, right? When creating the whole ponytail. So then I got my braids, which are darling braids, which I got them for 50 cents. And so all I did was to cut the braid into 2 and then start pulling, because I didn't have much braid. I was only using 1 pocket, so I decided to just cut it into 2 and start pulling it just to make it uneven and just slightly longer. Then after that I just combed it just to get it into position. Then afterwards I'm gonna take a strand, right, and then create a loop onto the thread and just loop it inside as though I was crushing it inside. And yeah, so the process is very simple. It doesn't take much time, it's just here. So I continued this process, right? So that's the cycle that I'm gonna repeat. So also make sure that your braid is slightly small, don't make it too big so that it doesn't look lumpy and not nice, right? So I continued with this cycle, and yeah. Also, I just wanted to mention that my whole hairstyle cost me about $3 because the gel that I used was $2. The braids that I got were 50 cents, and the wool was also 50 cents. So the whole hairstyle cost me around $3, and I really didn't use much. So yeah. So now that I'm done looping the braids, I'm going to start the whole process of braiding. So I'm going to be braiding my braids right till the end and make sure I braid them all the way down, because I don't want anything coming out, and make sure that it's really tightened. So I'm going to be doing this process, and this is what's going to create all the curls. So we really need it perfect. Make sure you really braid it properly just to get it nice and curly. You know, that's the vibe that you're going for. So now that I'm done braiding the braids, I'm gonna insert my braids into the sink and then start pouring the hot water. So the water was boiling, literally boiling hot, because I really wanted the curls to come out, and just leave it there for roughly, I left it there for 5 minutes. And then when I'm done, I let it dry before I unplaited it. So I let it first dry overnight and then started unplaiting it. And this is the curl pattern that it produced when I was now unraveling it. It really looked nice. It looked natural. It looked like those curls, you know. And I just loved the whole feel that it had. It had this whole natural vibe to it. So I just started opening it and I sprayed it with some water spray that I had. I this homemade water and oil spray that I had. So yeah, that's the whole build. That's it. So now that I'm done with the ponytail, I'm gonna start working on my hair, which I just stretched out with some Fist Out. So I'm gonna be using this Starks gel, which is a Zimbabwean product. It is amazing. It really does wonders. Although the only part I don't like about it is that it's black, so it really does make a mess on your hair. But yeah, it really sticks well. It really does amazing things. It works well, but I think you also need to really blow it off, because it really needs heat for it to hold dry up and to last long. So yeah, I'm just gonna be sectioning my hair and applying it right round. And the good part is you really don't use much, because the little goes a long way. So yeah, it is really honestly amazing. So after that, I'm gonna just create a pony with my hair. I'm just gonna tie my hair up down there, you know, just create a pony, make sure that I tie it down and really get it to sit. So look at the shape of my head, guys. Let's talk about the shape of my head. Guys, it is something else. So after I'm done, I'm gonna blow my hair, because I really need it to dry fast and really get it kicking, because yeah, it really needs for you to blow and for roughly 15 minutes or so and really get it to dry. So now that I'm done, I'm just gonna get my belt and tie it right round. So I'm just gonna be tying it. I'm going to create a knot, and that's how it goes. Simple. And tie it at the back, just hide it there at the back of the hoop. So it's easy to do. There's no sewing it in. I hate the whole idea of sewing in the ponytail. So now that I'm done, I'm just going to take one strand and just tie it right round, just to neaten it up, you know, just to give it that extra. Thank you guys for watching. So don't forget to like, subscribe and share. Also leave a comment down below if you enjoyed watching this video. So yeah, thank you guys so much, and may the good Lord bless you all.